The king flew into a rage and demanded death penalty for his fight hour. The king thanked Anansi and offered him rain. Anansi returned to the spider and warned it of the king's wrath. The world that the spider had killed the ram. The spider was very confused. Nancy told the spider to go to the king and plead for mercy, and perhaps the spider's life would be spared. Meanwhile, the king had gone for lunch and told his wife what happened. The wife laughed. She laughed out so loud and said, "Have you lost your mind? How on earth could a little spider make a thread strong enough to hold a ram? How in the world could a little spider hoist the ram out there? Don't you know? Anansi obviously killed the ram." The king was angry. And told his court to fetch the ram immediately. Anansi assumed that it was to bring him to the palace for his reward for turning him a spider. So Anansi went along willingly. He walked into the palace as if he owned the place and said to the king, "Well, what is my reward for the killer of your ram?" This enraged the king. But a spider with long
Cute ano? Sayote.
Long time ago, when the world was still young, the loudest thunder and the flaming lightning both lead
noise that I make. Lightning is my son. This bad temper drum. I shout and got mad because he has done something bad.
Lightning is my name, and to burn I was famed. I can set you on fire with the flames that I gave. I insult me every time, for I'm not a famous man. Each time they do that, expect the damage that will come. Come.
Look at the green fields, how wonderfully they are made.
The abundance of the crops, to our gods we give back. Look, what's coming right to us? Look, what's coming right to us? The round, that tower, that one to make for black.
The round, this tower, will set you on fire.
This village on fire, fire.
When I pass by every time, you make fun of this round. Now you make me mad at the damage I will give up. Fire!
The came from our guns.
What will happen now to us if the crops have been hashed?
You fool! I told you to be gentle, but you started to make quarrel. Now, what amends can we make with the damage that you made?
Damage of the round has ruined our lives.
And the noise of the sheep didn't bear it anymore. I asked the king to fly them away. At the end of this village, they will set them away. Away! Away! At the end of this village, far from the people you will hurt no more. Away! Away! At the end of this village, far from the people you will leave them alone. See what you've done? We're thrown out of the town. I hope you learn by now to hold your temper, my son.
The fault is not mine. I just did what's right. They hurt me so bad. I just took revenge, my mom.
However, at this time, still it's no good. Since lightning could see us people, and the quarrel is just so on. Away! Away! It's so the king has said, to send him away, and the wild bush of the forest, far from the people, far from the village.
We've given you many chances to live a better life, but as I can see, it is useless. From now on, you will live away from the village and live on the wild bush. Go away!
Go away again! Away! And the wild bush of the forest, you live there.
Away!
See what you've done? We've traveled to this forest. I hope you learn by now to hold your temper, my son.
Again, the fault is not mine. For so many times they hurt me so bad. This time
Let's go!